What's up? This is Taylor back with another video. And today in this video I will show you how to draw a boy and a girl. So see, what I'm doing right here is separating the boy and the girl. I'll show you how the difference between both of them. And now what I'm doing is inking the name boy and girl on paper. So what you want to do first is you want to draw a circle. Not no big, not no small circle. It depends on the paper size. But you draw a medium circle, just a medium circle. That's how I'm doing it. And second, you draw a line between the middle, You do the exact same thing once you're across it. Now, I draw like the jawline first, going all the way down, then the tip, but it don't have to be sharp, but like you can dull it. But I draw like the same as like I'm drawing the full of the head now, and yeah, basically. And once you drawing this and you seeing this and everything, like you ain't gotta be perfect with it, but as long as you know what you're doing in this video, then you straight. The same math for the girl right here. I'm drawing like an anime like type style, like black style of her head, like at the bottom, like tip of her chin. Like it's like very like sharp, but not sharp, but like it's like medium sharp. And I draw her jawline and everything. So what you're gonna do is draw your guidelines. So the eyes, the nose, the mouth, everything. That's what I'm doing right here. And you see, I kind of like messed up because I ain't want to confuse y'all because so I do the exact same thing to the girl, the guidelines and everything. But you want to know the difference is that when I draw the boy and the girl, I draw a different type of eye size. And that will be another video. I'll show you how to draw eyes, eyebrows, the nose, the mouth, everything. So right here, I'm drawing the neck. And same as for the girl, drawing the neck as well. And previously, you saw when I draw the line across the boy, that would be the chest. The same as for the girl. It's like a little circular, but not also like circular. Cause that's where her boobs gonna be at. Yes, her boobs. Whatever. So right here, I start off with the eyebrows. And the way I draw my eyebrows, I don't know, there's something with it, but I draw like a little serious look. Like serious. Like angry look. But now I start drawing the nose to the second guideline that I drawn. I don't really draw guidelines like that, but in this video I'll show you how to draw. Not as well, but like good. And the third guideline, I start drawing the mouth and everything. And now I'm starting with my eyes. And this is where, I told you before, I draw my eyes all type of ways when it comes to anime or drawing black or any kind of people. And now I'm finna start drawing the pupil inside the eye, but I ain't putting foreign detail yet. So yeah, and now right here, I'm finna start drawing the chest. Now see, I draw a straight line of chest. I don't usually do this, but in this video I'm doing it. But I draw a straight line of chest. And then you want to curve it, like curve your chest. Well, not always curve it, but see the little point I put down? I'm gonna draw a little point right there. Well, see the little point I put down? And I curve it. You stop at that point. And on the bottom, I do the exact same thing. But you don't want to curve it as that much. You know what I'm saying? And then also on the other side, on the opposite side of the chest, I do the exact same thing as well. And as soon as you get the chest and all this part down, whatever, you'll get the hang of it, you get used to it. That's how I did at first when I started drawing. I ain't really look at the story like that. I just looked at references, the body structures of the male, female, and everything. And now, once I did a little two, I draw like the inside of the chest. I draw 2 lines of it right there, and I draw a little line right there. So I draw the shoulders of the boy. So you want to draw a point if you want to. While point at your corner chest, you can. And you want like a curve down, but not all the way down to it. Like widen it out a little bit. And make sure like it could not connect it, but like almost connect to the chest. Because you don't want to connect to the chest. It's gonna look all weird. But now I'm starting with the girl now. And what you want to do is you want to make not thick, but thin eyebrows, thin and skinny eyebrows for the girl. That's how I prefer it. If you want to draw like a little extra to it, whatnot, you can. Now I'm starting drawing the nose of the girl. And as soon as I did the nose, I draw like a little point at the end, the tip of the nose. Then I went on there, and then now I'm starting drawing the lips, female lips of the girl. And notice how I draw the top of the line, and middle line, and the little chin line of the chin, and everything. So now I'm starting to draw the eyes. So when you start drawing the eyes of a female, you want to draw like little lashes, 2 little lashes on the top of your eye, and then the lower eye of the line. You want to draw the 3rd line. Like curve the 3rd line. And I do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the girl's eye. Now I'm drawing a pupil inside of the eye of the girl. This is like the exact same thing what I did with the boy and whatnot. And now I'm getting ready to start drawing the boobs and chest of the girl. You want to curve the line. Just curve it. Not too much. Make it look big, but medium size. You see how like I curve it? Not too big, not too small, but medium curve. And on the opposite side, you do the exact same thing. I put 2 little points so you can see the curving and connect it to the middle of the line that I made of it to create the boob. And now I started to draw the shoulders of the girl, and you see how I did put 2 dots as the exact same thing I did with the boy, and top to bottom, but you don't connect it at all with any other part of the chest area or nothing. Also, one more thing. I messed up showing you. Before it began, I started drawing the chest. You draw a little chest line of the female. What I'm doing right here. But separate them both. As far as the tutorial going, like how everything is y'all good or whatnot, and how's your day and whatnot, and what they all like for me to draw next. Any famous celebrities, type of animes, animals, plants, whatever, what kind. And also, I'm doing a little Q&A probably this week or next week, so stay tuned to that. And I'm dropping another art video tomorrow. So I start drawing the ears. So I put 2 little points, and now I'm starting from the bottom on the Y, but I'm just him, and then I connect it all the way to the side of the head, and I do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the head. Now moving on to the hair. The hair is the simplest part of doing. Now you want to draw a little point on top of the head, then you want to draw on the side of the ear and the other opposite side of the ear. And then you connect the dots. You curve it. And then you curve on the opposite side as well. And then you want to do another curve. I know it's going to cover the ear and everything, that's fine. That's all Gucci. But you're going to curve it again and connect to the shoulder. And as you can tell, like, I made a third curve just to like clarify like the way of the girl hair and everything. I connect to the shoulder, and then I put a little line on the jawline, and then I'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side as I proceed. Now on the top, you want to curve it like a little circular curve of the head, and now like the line that I made a circular curve is like it's close up to it, but not all the way close up. Then I make like a little circle curve, like a little curve line that make it like a real girl's hair and everything. And I do the exact same opposite side. Now, as you can see, I'm doing the ear, the exact same thing I did to the girl. Put 4 dots. Basically 2 on each side, 4. And now, as you see, as I curve and bring the ear down to the head of it, and now, as I'm doing it, I'm doing the hairline. And the hairline is not that hard to do. All you do is make a straight line, then you stop at a certain line of the head. And then you want to bring the line down make it like a little square of both sides. Like a little line of both sides. And then you make a little curve and connect to the head. And now, like, you can do any reference of any hairstyles, any type of hairstyles or whatever, like curls, waves, or whatever. But now I'm doing the waves. So once you're doing the waves, you make a little, like, not bumpy, but like kind of smooth, bumpy surface to it. Then you make like little wave lines, like squiggly wave lines, but not too squiggly. Oh, look at the way. Oh, look what I'm doing. What am I doing? Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. Too sexy. Ooh. Now you want to color it in, but like leave some white spaces between them, because if you want to make them look good like the waves, how I'm doing it, because I tried it like once or twice. But if you want to like look good, whatever, you like leave like little white lines between it, so it can kind of look like waves as you processing it. And also, like, if you want to do fade or whatever, like, you shade it in. Like, shade in like the ends of the sides and keep like a little white space in between them. Sorry for like my words or whatever. It's my first time doing a tutorial video, and I hope y'all guys like it. Or I'm showing y'all something so y'all can, kind of draw like me as well. And now I'm starting off with the pupils inside of the eyes, the pupils. And then you want to draw like a little, kind of like a little reflection, like when you're taking a picture or whatever, like you show the reflection of your eyes or whatever. You want to draw that inside the eyes. And then now, like, I'm erasing the girls, like part of the girl's hair. I'm drawing all the way down. Like, if you like want to have the girl hair like cut down like by the shoulder or whatever, you can do that. But me, I'm doing it long ways, like go all the way down to her chest area. So yeah. And as you can see now, I'm erasing it because of her long hair that I did of it. So yeah. So there you have it in my tutorial video, drawing a boy and girl. So I hope this helped you out, and I hope you like the video. Comment, leave me feedback, or I can do better. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.